Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that stirs curiosity among plant enthusiasts and gardeners alike. Which plants like banana water? This seemingly simple query opens up a world of eco-friendly gardening practices and plant care. So let's peel back the layers and explore this subject. Banana water, for those unfamiliar, is a nutrient-rich solution made by soaking banana peels in water. This concoction is packed with potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals that are essential for plant health, particularly for encouraging strong growth and blooming. First on our list are the tomato plants. These voracious feeders thrive on the potassium that banana water provides, promoting not only robust growth, but also helping in the development of healthy, delicious fruits. By using banana water, you can potentially increase both the yield and the taste of your tomatoes. Next, we have the stunning rose bushes. Roses have a deep love for potassium, which helps them in producing vibrant, long-lasting blooms. Regularly feeding your roses with banana water can enhance their color and fragrance, making your garden a centerpiece of beauty. Peppers, both sweet and hot varieties, also benefit greatly from banana water. The additional potassium supports the development of strong plants and aids in the production of a bountiful harvest of crisp, flavorful peppers. Houseplants aren't left out of this banana water feast either. Leafy greens like pothos, spider plants, and philodendrons absorb the nutrients from banana water, leading to lush, vibrant foliage. This simple, organic solution can help your indoor garden thrive, adding a touch of nature's beauty to your living space. Lastly, let's talk about fruiting plants like strawberries. These sweet delights enjoy the boost from banana water, resulting in juicier, sweeter fruits. The extra potassium helps in the formation of strong, healthy plants that are more productive and disease-resistant. In conclusion, banana water is a versatile, organic solution that can benefit a wide array of plants, from the vegetables in your garden to the flowers in your pots and the houseplants in your living room. By incorporating banana water into your gardening routine, you're not only recycling and reducing the waste, but also providing your plants with the nutrients they need to flourish. Thank you for watching. In the world of gardening, sometimes the best solutions are those that nature provides. Embracing natural and sustainable practices like using banana water can lead to a healthier garden and, ultimately, a healthier planet. Keep experimenting with eco-friendly gardening techniques, and happy gardening!